I'm glad we're having this conversation today, because last time Rashad and I spoke, we kind of talked briefly about the different styles you can do,
Yeah.
whether you're brokering it versus doing the work yourself or whatever it might be, and kind of everything in between. So I'm really interested in your side of it. So talk to me about the catalytic converter. So one thing Rashad and I talked about last time is the importance of cutting off the cat, because that's where the bulk of your value is. How do you get a hold of it? If you're not the one actually doing it, who cuts off the cat? Where does it go? Talk to me about that piece of it, because I think that part is a little bit of a gap that people might get stuck on.
So you have to, like I said, there's methods to it. So if you have someone that does it for you, if they're handy and cautious and safe, and you trust that they're not going to harm themselves, they can actually cut it off for you.
Okay.
But if you're working with a tow truck or someone directly, the best bet for you is to work with that junkyard. So
Yep.
Work with a junkyard, go talk to your scale managers, work with a junkyard, and they may be able to do that for you. They may cut off your catalytic converter for you, or they may take the wheels off for you. So it's really about networking and creating those good relationships with the junkyards,
Okay.
so that you can, use them to help do that for you.
Okay.
But also just making sure that you're knowledgeable about it, because you don't want anyone to take your converters. So you got to know if a car comes with 2 or if it comes with 4 converters, to make sure that you're getting those back. Because you think you're getting 4 and then you get 1. Well, you need to figure out where your other 3 converters are. So it's really about establishing those relationships with your junkyards. Okay. Or like if you have someone that's picking up the cars for you, then if you trust them and they're not going to harm themselves, then they may be able to cut those converters off for you.
Got it. So which of the 2 models do you follow more? Do you have a truck and trailer someone drives, or do you lean more on tow truck operators?
Someone drives, but like I said, we have plenty of people who start with just finding someone that they trust as a tow driver. So either option, it works for you. It can work for you.
And where do you store the catalytic converters when they're out? Do you put them in a storage unit, or are they dropping them off in your personal garage? Where do these things go? I'm assuming you're not sleeping with them underneath your bed. Like, where do you put these things?
No, but sometimes I think I probably would if I could.
Right.
Just because you don't want anyone to get them. But I mean, if you have like a storage unit, that's an option, or your garage, that's an option. Some people have like a little storage unit in their backyard. You definitely don't want to share where you put them with a lot of people, because it's just, I think I posted something yesterday. People are out here stealing converters, and if they find out that you have them, they're probably going to try to steal them. So
got it. Okay.
Somewhere safe, somewhere where it, and not a lot of people know, where they are. But yeah, you can do a storage unit, use your garage, or, wherever you have some spare, a spare area that's safe.